Hey traders. So while Logan takes a bit of a break here, I'm just going to try and do a couple of videos every day for the close and read. So yesterday we saw that tension went down, daily tension also crossed zero. But the biggest thing we noticed was price kept its footing. So market kind of gave us some mixed signals. So we either knew that the bears were actually going to get an opportunity to defend the trend, or this was just some bullish consolidation. So we had to consider both things, and even though it looks obvious what happened now, that's what we were considering. So when the morning came, we had the advanced decline open up pretty strong, and that tells us that that's going to bring tension up higher. And we also saw decay get a retest of zero early on, and the bears pretty much failed. So with that said, the market didn't really give us a good place to enter, and anytime you get a really strong trend, that seems to be the issue in the case every time, is you really only get one chance if you're lucky to enter, and then it just kind of grinds up with very little pullback. And that's kind of what we got today. So the other thing that's notable is here, tension finally closed up at minus 42%. And you can see here the previous days when tension was crossing zero, it was kind of like minus 10 and plus 10, minus 10. That's pretty much flat. But now the market has a strong idea, and I would not consider this a ranging mindset just because we have so much tension. The AD was very strong, and tension closed pretty high. So we know that tension can go up to minus 70 and as the max. So there's still some room left, really, if we wanted to. But ideally tomorrow, we're going to look for some tension to burn off, price to keep its footing, and we're probably going to get at least one or two chances to buy a bearish idea, whether that's velocity testing zero or decay testing zero. And I'm going to look for that, and that's probably going to be the trade I'm going to expect. Now, we always got to consider the unexpected because the market will do anything it wants to do. And if we have a really strong negative AD line tomorrow, and we see a decay of retest not get bought by the bulls, we can start expecting a very elastic market, as we call it, and bears can get in. But either way, that's good because we'll get some more volatility back in the market. But I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for bulls to buy some bearish ideas. I'm looking for tension to come on down, and I'm looking for a decay retest. And I'm looking to buy, outside of value area low. So that's the closing read for tomorrow. And everybody have a good night and good luck trading.